Do you help small businesses with their bookkeeping? Then say hello to Docyt, a powerful accounting automation platform. Docyt helps you scale your client base, communicate with your team, automate reconciliation, and replace multiple software subscriptions with one. Here's how it works. Onboard unlimited clients in seconds. Simply add each client's business, connect their QuickBooks, bank, and credit card accounts, and voila! Their mobile back office is ready. Docyt's powerful client dashboard shows you daily client tasks in one glance. View key metrics for each client whenever you want. Get alerts for tasks like bill payments, and deep dive when needed, all in one single view. Flooded with client questions? Get answers quickly from your team by using Docyt's internal team chat. Your clients can also use Docyt's mobile and web app. With Docyt's Bill Pay, your clients can simply scan or email their bills, and Docyt will instantly extract the data. Then, they can pay with just a tap. Docyt also attaches PDFs of all documents to QuickBooks, so each client is audit protected. Docyt is powered by artificial intelligence, and it continuously reconciles all expenses, whether they are transactions, receipts, bills, or checks. Which means no manual data entry, no duplicates, and no reconciliation headaches. And it's always learning. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. Since Docyt is an automated, integrated, end-to-end back-office solution, your clients no longer need separate apps for bill pay, receipts, expense reports, and document management. Docyt. One solution, one subscription.